Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into streamlining your employee onboarding process using Zoho Project. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First things first, log into your Zoho Project account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, signing up is a cinch and takes no more than a few minutes. The reason we start here is because Zoho Project is the hub where you'll manage all your onboarding tasks. Now that we've logged in, it's time to create a new project specifically for onboarding. Click on New Project and label it something like Employee Onboarding. This helps us because having a dedicated project for onboarding keeps everything organized and easy to manage. Next up, we're going to add tasks. Tasks could be anything from complete HR paperwork to schedule orientation meeting. Make sure to assign deadlines to each task. Let me explain why this matters. Deadlines help keep everyone on track and ensure that the onboarding process is completed in a timely manner. Now, let's assign these tasks to the relevant people. You can assign tasks to HR for paperwork or to team leaders for job training. The reason we do this is to delegate responsibility and make sure everyone knows what their role is in the onboarding process. A great feature in Zoho Project is the ability to attach files to tasks. You can upload important documents like the employee handbook, benefits information, and more. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you attach these files, they're stored in the cloud, making them accessible to anyone with the right permissions. This streamlines the process by keeping all necessary documents in one place. Finally, don't forget to use the comment section under each task to communicate with your team. This is a space where you can provide additional information or answer questions about each task. Now that we've set up our onboarding project with tasks, assignments, deadlines, and attached files, you're all set to streamline your employee onboarding with Zoho Project. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and clear for all parties involved. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to optimizing your employee onboarding process with Zoho Project. Until next time, happy onboarding.